To import a wallet into Phantom Wallet, start by understanding what Phantom Wallet is. A popular digital wallet used to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, specifically designed for the Solana blockchain. The Import Wallet feature allows you to access your existing Solana wallet using your secret recovery phrase. First, download and install the Phantom Wallet extension from the official website or your browser's extension store. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create or Restore a Wallet. Choose the Restore Wallet option and enter your secret recovery phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet. This phrase is typically provided when you first create a Solana wallet. Type in each word of your recovery phrase carefully, making sure to use the correct order, as the phrase is case sensitive. After entering your recovery phrase, create a new password to protect your wallet. This password will be used to unlock your wallet whenever you want to perform transactions or view your balance. Choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your funds. Once your wallet is imported, you can view your account balance, transaction history, and perform various actions such as sending or receiving Solana or other Solana-based tokens. Best practices for importing a wallet into Phantom include keeping your secret recovery phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to access your funds. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, and consider storing it in a secure location such as a fireproof safe or a password manager. By following these steps, you can easily import your existing Solana wallet into Phantom Wallet and start managing your digital assets securely and efficiently. Always prioritize the security of your wallet and funds by using strong passwords and keeping your recovery phrase confidential.